Hi! In front of me is TCL Tab 10 Gen 2, and today I would like to show you how you can manage its location. Begin by going into Tab menu and looking for Location shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, mine is now gray. That means that location is disabled, but you can always enable it by hitting the same shortcut again. You can also go into Devices Settings, scroll down and click on the Location section. Then tap on this switcher at the top to turn it off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!